In this video, I'll be solving the questions from 1 to 6 of exercise 8.1, chapter 8, application of integrals. The first question of exercise 8.1 is find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square equal to x and the lines x is equal to 1, x is equal to 4 and the x-axis in the first quadrant. So first let us draw the graph OX, OY and the curves and the lines. So the curve corresponding to y square equal to x is this curve, that is the orange curve, that is the curve y square is equal to x. Next, the line x is equal to 1 is a straight line which passes through 1, 0 and parallel to the y-axis. The line x is equal to 4 is a straight line which passes through 4, 0 and parallel to the y-axis. So we need to find the region bounded by this curve, the line x is equal to 1, x is equal to 4 and the x-axis in the first quadrant. So the corresponding region is this shaded part. Let us mark this as A, B, C, D. So the required area is equal to area of the region A, B, C, D, A. So that is the shaded part. This is very easy. This is equal to integral 1 to 4 because it varies from, x varies from 1 to 4 into this curve dx. So that is y curve dx. This is equal to integral 1 to 4. It is given that y square is equal to x. So y will be equal to root x dx. So integral root x dx is x raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 with the limits from 1 to 4. So this is equal to 2 by 3, I am keeping it outside, 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 1. This is nothing but it is 2 by 3 into square root of 64 minus 1. Square root of 64 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. So 2 by 3 into 7. So the required area is equal to 14 by 3 square units. You have to write the units because the unit for area is square units. I hope this is clear. The next question. Find the area of the region bounded by y square equal to 9x, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 4 and the x-axis in the first quadrant. It is similar to the previous one except for the curves and the lines. So let us draw the graph. So this is the curve y square is equal to 9x. The line x is equal to 2 is a straight line which passes through 2, 0 and parallel to the y-axis. This is the line x is equal to 4. It is a straight line which passes through 4, 0 and parallel to the y-axis. So we have to find the region which is bounded by the area of the region which is bounded by the curve y square equal to 9x, x equal to 2, x equal to 4, x-axis in the first quadrant. So this is the region. Let us mark this as A, B, C and D. So here we can write the solution. Required area is equal to area of A, B, C, D, A. So that is equal to integral. Here x varies from 2 to 4. So integral 2 to 4 y curve dx. So this is equal to integral 2 to 4. Here y is 3 root x into dx. So this is equal to 3 into x raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 within the limits 2 to 4. So this is equal to 2 into square root of 4 cube minus square root of 2 cube. So this is nothing but 2 into root 64 minus 2 root 2, or it is equal to 2 into 8 minus 2 root 2, which is nothing but 4 into 4 minus root 2 square units. So this is the required area. The next question is, find the area of the region bounded by x square equal to 4y, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 4 and the y-axis in the first quadrant. So let us draw the graph. So we have Ox, Oy, and this is the curve x square is equal to 4y. The line y is equal to 2 is a straight line which passes through 0, 2 and parallel to the x-axis. The line y is equal to 4 is a straight line which passes through 0, 4 and parallel to the x-axis. This is the y-axis, and we have to find the region, area of the region bounded by these lines and curves. So the corresponding region is this part. So let us take required area is equal to area of A, B, C, D, A. This is equal to integral. Here we have to take in terms of y. Y varies from 2 to 4. Integral 2 to 4 x curve dy. So that is equal to integral 2 to 4 x is nothing but 2 root y into dy. That is equal to 2 into y raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 within the limits 2 to 4. So this is equal to 4 by 3 into root of 4 cube is 64 minus root 8. So this is equal to 4 by 3 into 8 minus 2 root 2. Taking 2 outside we get 8 by 3 into 4 minus root 2 square units. So we got the area of the region bounded by the curve and the corresponding lines. Next one, find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. So you can draw the ellipse. We have to find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse. That is, this whole part we have to find. The area of this whole part is nothing but 4 times the area of this part. That is, it is equal to 4 times the area of this part. That is 4 times area of OABO. So the required area will be equal to 4 times area of OABO. So that is equal to, now this point is 0, 0. This point is 4, 0. This point is 0, 3. So the required area is integral 0 to 4 y curve into dx. That is, we have to write the equation of the given ellipse as y is equal to some function of x. So let us take, so we have x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. From this we have y square by 9 is equal to 1 minus x square by 16, or y square is equal to 9 by 16 into 16 minus x square. From this we have y is equal to plus or minus 3 by 4 root of 16 minus x square. Here, since we are taking only this part, we can take y is equal to 3 by 4 root of 16 minus x square. So we have the required area is equal to 4 times integral 0 to 4 3 by 4 root of 16 minus x square dx. So this 4 will go. This is equal to 3 into, we know that integral root of a square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. So we can use this formula and we can find the answer. So this is equal to, here x is x only, so x by 2 into root of 16 minus x square plus a square is 16 by 2 sine inverse of x by a is 4, from 0 to 4. So this is equal to 3 into, when we substitute 4 here, we will get 0 plus 16 by 2 is 8, sine inverse of 4 by 4 is 1, minus, when we substitute 0 here, we get 0 and sine inverse of 0 is 0. So this is equal to 3 into 8 into sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. So we get the answer as 12 pi square units. So we got the answer as 12 pi square units. I hope this is clear. The next question is, find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x square by 4 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. So you can draw the ellipse. This point is 2, 0. This point is 0, 3. So to find the area of this entire ellipse, we can find 4 times the area of this part. OA, BO. Okay. So first, let us write the equation in terms of y. We have x square by 4 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. So we have y square by 9 is equal to 4 minus x square by 4, or y is equal to plus or minus 3 by 2 root of 4 minus x square. So we can write the required area. Required area is equal to 4 times area of OABO. That is equal to 4 times integral 0 to 2 into 3 by 2 root of 4 minus x square into dx. So this is equal to 6 times integral 0 to 2 integral 0 to 2 4 minus root of 4 minus x square dx So we know that integral root of a square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. So this is equal to x by 2 root of 4 minus x square plus 4 by 2 sine inverse of x by 2. So this is equal to 6 into 2 by 2 is 1 into root of 4 minus 4 is 0 plus 2 into sine inverse of 1 minus 0 by 2 is 0 minus sine inverse of 0 is 0. So this is equal to 6 into 2 into sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. This is equal to 6 pi square units. The next question is, find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by x-axis, line x is equal to root 3y and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. So first let us draw the diagram. So we have OX and OY. So we have to draw a circle of radius 2 because it is given x square plus a square is equal to 4, which is 2 square. So this is the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. The next one is the line x is equal to root 3y. This is the line x is equal to root 3y. This is equal to root 3y. So we have to find the area of the region in the first quadrant. This is the first quadrant enclosed by x-axis. This is the x-axis. Line x is equal to root 3y and the circle. So the required area is this part. Here we cannot find the area of this region directly. We have to draw a straight line from the point of intersection of the line and the curve to the x-axis. Only then we will be able to find the coordinates of this point. So let us draw a straight line to the x-axis. This be A, B and C. So the required area will be area of the region OACO and ABCA. Now the coordinates of point B is 2, 0. We don't know the coordinates for A and for C. We can easily find the coordinates of C because C is the point of intersection of the line x is equal to root 3y and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. So we have x square plus y square is equal to 4 and x is equal to root 3y. If we solve these two equations, we will get the point of intersection, which is C. So let us substitute 2 in 1. In 1 we get 3y square plus y square is equal to 4, that is 4y square is equal to 4 or y square is equal to 1, which means y is equal to plus or minus 1. So when y is 1, x is root 3, and when y is minus 1, x is minus root 3. So the point of intersection will be root 3 comma 1 and minus root 3 comma minus 1. So the coordinates for C is root 3 comma 1, which means the coordinates for A is root 3 comma 0. So I hope this is clear. Now we can find the required area easily. So the required area will be area of OACO plus area of ABCA. So here it is integral 0 to root 3 this line, that is x by root 3 dx plus integral root 3 to 2 this curve. So we have to find y in terms of x. Let me do it in the next page. Since x square plus y square is equal to 4, we have y is equal to plus or minus root of 4 minus x square. So the required area will be integral 0 to root 3 y line dx plus integral root 3 to 2 y curve dx. Here y line is nothing but x by root 3. So integral 0 to 3 x by root 3 dx plus integral root 3 to root 3 to 2 root of 4 minus x square dx. Now we can find the integral. This is equal to 1 by root 3 into x square by 2 from 0 to 3 plus we know that integral root of a square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. So plus x by 2 root of 4 minus x square plus 4 by 2 sine inverse of x by 2 from root 3 to 2. So this is equal to 1 by root 3 into root 3 square is 3 by 2 minus 0 plus when we substitute 2 here we get 1 into 0 plus 2 into sine inverse of 1 minus root 3 by 2 into root of 4 minus 3 plus minus sine inverse of root 3 by 2. So this is equal to root 3 by 2 plus this is 0. 2 sine inverse of 1 is 2 into pi by 2 minus root 3 by 2. Root of 1 is 1 minus 2 sine inverse of root 3 by 2 is pi by 3. So root 3 by 2 will go. So this is equal to 2 into pi by 2 minus pi by 3 is pi by 6. So this is equal to pi by 3 square units. So we got the required area. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching.